Welcome back. Now, Windows 10 is designed to start up faster than other operating systems. However, you do have some control over that process. And typically, if you go to your right-hand corner and you take a look at some of the applications that are running, you might find that some of these applications are starting up with Windows, and maybe you didn't give them permission, and they could be slowing down your system. And there's a way to take a look at this process. And what you'll need to do is to go to your search box. You need to type in startup, and what you'll see is that there is a link that says see which processes start up automatically when you start Windows. You're going to click that link. That's going to open up to the startup tab, and what you're going to notice is that you're going to see that some things are going to be enabled at the actual startup, and you're going to be able to see, according to Windows, which ones have the most impact. And so you can sort by any of these. So for example, if we choose to sort by impact and we take a look at those that have very high impact, we want to make sure that the applications that are running and starting up when Windows does, at least those that have high impact, are those that we want to enable. You might find that there are some in medium and low category that again have an impact on the resources used during your startup. And in some cases, you might find that there are some that are disabled that you might want to have enabled. You'll also see that there is a publisher here, and this means that you can go and do research on the application to make sure that it's something that you are going to need to have in your startup process. Now, other than working with your startup, this is going to have the most impact on your startup time as you start your computer into Windows 10. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.